Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the second vacation home renovation that we're working on. It's an A-frame or double A-frame that we call the triangle house. Let's take a look. And yes, I accidentally deleted my actual intro video. Alright, here we are guys at the second project that we're working on right now. Today I'm going to take you through the history of the project. I'm going to take a tour through where we are right now. And at the very end, I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek at some of the design finishes that we're picking out right now. Alright, so this house is actually owned by friends of ours. They wanted an investment house slash little vacation house, so they hired us to design and build this thing for them out to our local standards. So this will be a place that you'll still see on our website just like normal, but these guys will use it a couple weeks out of the year. All right, this thing we're kind of calling the double A-frame, the triangle house. It's got two kind of A-frame sections that meet at 90 degrees. The second half of it is split level. It's a pretty big house, over 2,000 square feet. It's gonna be 4 bedrooms, 3 baths when we're done. It's gonna sleep 10 people, no problem. It's got 2 living rooms. So this is definitely gonna be the biggest place that we're gonna build to date. So the owners have gotten started on the demo themselves. Walk you through here, show you guys what they've done so far. All right, here we are at the front of the house. This is the main entrance that goes into the double height living room. We're gonna tear this entire wall apart and make it mostly glass, get rid of this vinyl siding and bring back cedar siding. We're also gonna replace those triangular windows. Alright, here we are entering right into the living room, the double height space, the main living room. We got a little loft up there that we'll make into a bedroom. This space is very similar to our current A-frame, maybe a little bit smaller. We're looking at the dining area off the right here. This is what it used to look like. We're going to shorten this wall, which is a bathroom, about 15 inches to allow us to put in a built-in bench, built-in table. That's going to give us the room we need in our new kitchen layout. Hey! And yeah, my 11-year-old helps me edit these videos. Alright, let's look at the kitchen. So we tore out this U-shaped kitchen and pantry that was terrible. We're going to put a 15, almost 16 foot wide linear kitchen here. Look at this thing. Just awful. It's going to go the whole length of this wall here and then have an island in front. Guys, we'll get a kitchen design in another video in the future, but just say no to U-shaped kitchens. I hate them. U-shaped peninsulas, give me a straight kitchen and an island every time. You gotta do an L. You're in a small space in the corner, fine. Put an island in there, do an L. Get rid of those awful cramped layouts that you can't have a bunch of people in, especially in a vacation home. You're gonna have a whole bunch of people in the kitchen at one time, cooking, making snacks, making drinks. Keep it open. Alright, this is the end of the original A-frame. This is an addition on the back that's got another entrance. Here's a full bathroom actually. We are going to shrink this but still keep a shower in here, toilet sink for the third full bathroom. This addition back here has got two full bedrooms and a bathroom as well. Let's look at the biggest one. So everybody knows we really like putting bunk rooms in both our hotels and our homes. So we're gonna do that in this room. This is one of the biggest bedrooms. We're gonna build an adult bunk bed here. So bunk here, here, stair up the middle. We might flat this in the front with the same thing we use for flooring, wrap it all up. We haven't decided all that yet. But this is gonna be kids' bunk room, kids at heart. We think it'll be pretty cool. Alright, this bedroom's nice and large. The other one's quite a bit smaller, so we're just going to probably put a queen bed. We'll probably rip out this closet and have a dresser and some open hanging shelves. Maybe put a TV in here for the kids to escape and watch TV or play video games, something like that. This will be the only TV in a bedroom though. Alright, let's head back out. This is the old bathroom, which was just the worst layout, so we tore it apart completely. Gonna move the washer dryer, move that water heater out of here. Might even put a double shower here in the back, move that toilet around. Alright, let's look at the kitchen from the other area. This is what it looked like before, with a wall and pantry in here that we tore out. Here we're looking at the kitchen from the other angle. One thing we did to make this kitchen a little wider, more open, is we decided to put the fridge right here. So we're actually coming into this foyer area. It's outside the kitchen, but we got enough depth here to put a counter depth fridge. We'll probably encapsulate it with some kind of wall. We got plenty of width here, so we still have a nice wide space. And that's gonna just keep our lines super clean in that kitchen, keep it simple, easier to construct, faster to build, better in the pictures. Like getting that fridge out of the way if we can, just like we've done in our first A-frame.
All right, now let's go take a look at the other wing or the other A-frame section of this place. Here's the old living room with this weird catwalk to nowhere that we tore out. I have no idea what they were thinking there, but it's much brighter now. All right, we're gonna take a look at the lower den level first. This is gonna be our kind of entertainment lounge down here with the TV, nice sound system, and obviously this wood burning stove.
This room is kind of unique in that we've got the fireplace here, and we're gonna put the TV on the other side, which I'll show you, right? All right, here we are facing the other way in this room. We've got two kind of focal points with the fireplace on one, and we're gonna put the TV in the other end. We're gonna build this wall out a little bit bigger, recess the TV and Sonos speaker in here. And then over here, we're gonna build a custom bar. We're gonna keep it nice and dark. The ceilings are low. We're just gonna make this a kind of underground den here, make it super cozy, and it should be a cool place to hang out.
This bar area is a good place to mention that this is where we'll collaborate with one of our local makers, small craftsmen in New Jersey, to create something unique and cool. Sometimes we design stuff ourselves and have the contractors build it in, but we like to collaborate as often as we can with local makers. Alright, this is the bedroom above that. This is a pretty large room, so we're going to actually divide it with a wall right about here, probably, and a door coming into here. I have a nice big bed, probably a little reading nook, place where a small child could even sleep. And then there's the own bathroom up here, which we're going to redo. We're going to put a 4-foot soaking tub in here, which we've never done, and a shower as well, and put a nice new custom concrete sink in there.
Alright, so in all of these home renovation projects, we like to open up the floor plan as much as possible, especially for a vacation home, people hanging out. So here, we are going to take out this header, we're going to take out the rest of this wall, and that'll open up. We got this whole wall of light behind us, this wall of glass. It's going to filter light way into the building, into the kitchen. It's going to be beautiful when we do it. So how we're doing that, we try to do it the simplest way we can with our engineer. So we're basically taking all that out. We're going to replace it with a beam outside of this stair. So we'll support this, support all that. It's not intruding in any head height of the stairs at all. So it's going to be a really simple way to get rid of all that. Then we recently had a new idea. While we're doing that, we figured we could bring another beam about 3 feet off of that. And we could put a cargo net this whole length. So we'll have this big old 12, 13 foot long by 3 foot wide cargo net hammock floating above the living room. It's going to be sweet.
Let's go on up to the loft above the A-frame portion. Nothing terribly special about this room, but we're going to put a wall up here and a door and make this a private bedroom. It'll have a nice sized closet here. We might build in a bed here instead of buying a bed, make a headboard on that wall, something like that. Nice little view overlooking the double height space. Again, this is going to be all glass here. We got 2 headers, 3 rows of glass with a quadruple slider at the bottom. It's going to completely transform this living room. Alright, lastly we'll show you the main outdoor space behind the house. This is exiting that little foyer off the kitchen. We'll put a grill out here, probably gonna remove these bushes and put the hot tub over in this area. And then back here we've got a playground. We're gonna move to a different location and make this a big old fire pit area back here. This goes way back 5 acres. So we might even put a fire pit way back there. We'll see. Put some landscape lighting, maybe some speakers. It should be a nice place to chill.
Alright, so I promised you guys a sneak peek of some of the finishes that we're working on at the end. This is the main finish. We are one beautiful, large aggregate terrazzo tile that we found. This thing is just gorgeous. We are basing the entire design of the house off of this one tile. All of the floor, this will be used only in the bathrooms, so we did splurge on it, but we don't have a ton of it. We're gonna base all of the wall tiles off of it. the fixtures, the wall paint colors, even the furniture. We really love this thing. I don't think I've ever seen a more beautiful tile in my life. It's got a home finish. You guys can't feel it, but it's velvety smooth. It's so beautiful. I'll put a link below to this tile. All right guys, thanks for tuning in this week. Next week we'll be going back to the chalet and showing you. We've got some exciting stuff to show you there. If you got any questions about this project, the other project, anything we do, leave them in the comments. I'll be sure to get them in future videos. Thanks for tuning in.
Alright, here's the actual video I accidentally took instead of my intro, with me struggling to get in the house, the camera. I hate to ask you guys to like and subscribe, but I'm going to do it. We're trying to get to over 100 subscribers in our second week. Please help us out if you like it. We'll see you next time.